Introducing its grass, Rotboilia cochin-chinensis of the family Poaceae. Its grass is an annual grass widely distributed in tropical and subtropical regions and is often regarded as a troublesome weed in agricultural fields. Despite its reputation as a weed, the plant has several practical uses. Young plants may serve as forage for livestock when grazed before they become mature and fibrous. In some rural areas, the grass is used as mulch or incorporated into the soil as green manure to help improve soil organic matter. The dense growth of its grass can also provide temporary ground cover, helping to reduce soil erosion. Additionally, studies have reported the presence of bioactive compounds with potential antioxidant and antimicrobial properties, suggesting possible medicinal applications that warrant further investigation. However, its agricultural benefits are often overweighed by its competitive effects on crops, as it can significantly reduce yields by competing for nutrients, water, and sunlight.